Hi everyone, so today I prepared some creamy chicken soup. This soup is so delicious. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Have you ever tried this creamy chicken soup? Please try it, it's so nice. So for the recipe, I had some celery, some carrots, some rosemary, some thyme leaves, garlic cloves, some onion, baby spinach, and chicken breast. So I had to slice the chicken breast a little bit and then add the rotisserie chicken spice and barbecue chicken seasoning and some paprika. I had to apply this on both sides of the chicken breast. Then I added 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan and then fried the chicken for some few minutes, and I had to continue baking it in an oven. So I preheated the oven at 250 degrees and then set the time for 15 minutes. Here we go. Now from there, I transferred the chicken to a baking pan and bake it for 15 minutes. Here we go. Now I had to cut my onion and celery stem, and from there I had to put in a bowl, yes baby, and then grated 2 medium carrots, and then I had to tie the rosemary and thyme together. Since I don't want the stem, so I will take out the stem at some other point. So I had to put 1 tablespoon of butter in a pot and add onion, and then I added the celery, and then I grinded the 6 garlic cloves and I mix well. I also added all the carrots. After that, I had to add 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor stock powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 cup of creamy butternut squash. I mix well and then add 1 cup of water, and then I put all the rosemary and thyme leaves together and added 3 bay leaves. So I had to cover this and let it simmer for some few minutes. The chicken was ready, so I had to cut it in smaller pieces. Here we go. Now from there, I remove the rosemary stem and add 1 cup of whipping cream, and I also added 1 tablespoon of baking flour just to make the soup thick, and then I added the chicken and also added 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The black pepper will make your soup taste good. I also added 1 handful of spinach. So if you want to try this recipe, make sure you cook your soup in a low heat or medium heat, not on a high heat. So my soup was ready. I sprinkled some parsley leaves, and then I had to serve it with some white rice. You can also serve your creamy chicken soup as it is. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bells for any other new recipes. Bye for now.